In example 4, we are given that from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from point P is 45 degree. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from point P. And for the calculation, we will use under root 3 is equal to 1.732. So here, to draw the figure, this is the ground. Let AB be the 10-meter tall building. This is the point P from which the angles are going to be made. On the top of the building, a flagstaff has been hoisted. So on the top of the building AB, let this CA is the flagstaff whose length we have to find out. Now we are given that from the point P, the angle of elevation of the top of 10-meter tall building, that means from the point P, the angle of elevation to the top of the 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff, this is the top of the flagstaff, and from the same point P, the angle of elevation of the top of this flagstaff, we are given 45 degree. So the length of the flagstaff we have to find out. Let it be H, and the distance between the building from the point P, let it be X. So these two things we have to find out. So let AC is equal to H and BP is equal to X. It is BP is equal to X. So one by one we will use the angles and the triangle to find out the unknown values. First we will use in triangle ABP, as the building is standing vertically, so angle B will be equal to 90 degree. So here in triangle ABP, for which theta is equal to 30 degree. So, and this, as the relation is between perpendicular and the base, so we will use 10. So tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base, which is equal to AB upon PB. Now tan 30 degree, which is equal to 1 upon root 3, which is equal to 10 upon X. So from here we get cross multiplying 1 into X is equal to 10 into root 3 is 10 root 3. So X is equal to, as the value of root 3 we are given 1.732. So X is equal to 10 into 1.732 is equal to 17.32 meter. So this is the first answer we have got. The distance between the building and the point P is 17.32 meter. Again, in triangle PBC, full triangle PBC, theta is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is BC, upon base is PB. Now BC, which is equal to H plus 10, upon PB we have got the value of X. So tan 45 degree, which is equal to 1, is equal to H plus 10 upon the value of X is 17.32. So as we will cross multiply it, 17.32 into 1 is equal to 17.32. That is equal to H plus 10. Therefore, H will be equal to 17.32 minus 10, which is equal to 7.32 meter, is the height of the Flagstaff.